Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another unboxing and review for your feed. Alright guys, so before we get started in today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss every one of these uploads. And without further ado, guys, let us get straight into today's video. Obviously, by the box, you guys know this is going to be a Nike SB Dunk Low. Now, you know, standard box, okay? So you're going to get this standard all over purple box this time, with your Nike SB branding over on the top. Size tag is going to read Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Phantom, Malachite, and Hyper Royal. Now, I went with a size 12 because personally in all of Nike SBs, I typically lately have not been going true to size. I am a true size 11.5, but lately on all Nike SBs, I've been sizing up to a size 12 and they fit me perfectly. I don't know if they changed the model a little bit, so that way now they run a little bit tighter, but I feel that the 12 works best for me. You guys may encounter something different, so, you know, if you have never purchased a Nike SB Dunk Low before, go true to size. You should be all right. It's going to fit very snug. That's why I've been just going up half a size. Now, when you flip open the box, you are going to get that typical wood grain look over on the paper, and then you get straight into the shoes, man. You get straight into these. Now, first thing right off the rip, you are going to get your traditional standard Nike SB sticker in the box. Comes with all these purple box Nike SBs. Now, when you get over to the shoes, guys, these things are super nice. First images I saw of these things, I was very intrigued right off the bat. I was like, wow, these things look really nice. Looks like the materials are very good. And I will say, in hand, having them in person, they definitely do not disappoint. Now, these things have restocked pretty much everywhere, but we all know how, you know, Shopify links work and how these skate shops release these, releases. They kind of just like throw them on the site randomly, and then you kind of have to get lucky if you're following Twitter accounts that will post a link, and hopefully you can check out. All of them sell out instantly, guys. So I personally had to wait for the sneakers app release, and I was actually able to hit them and secure my own size. So I was super thrilled about that because I definitely wanted these in the collection, and having them in person, like I said, guys, they feel premium. So when it comes to this shoe, you're going to get a pretty much all over suede and nubuck, pretty much all over this entire sneaker. Now, you're going to have the Phantom. So on camera, it may look like a bright white or like a white. It's definitely not a white. It's more of a very light gray. So just something to note if you guys were unfamiliar with that from pictures. But yeah, no, it's definitely a really light gray. Very nice feeling nubuck. I believe the suede part is the Phantom. So around the toe guard and around up towards the back of the heel and the ankle collar and stuff like that. That's going to be your suede. And then going over to the toe box is going to be a very premium feeling nubuck. I'm not entirely sure if that's kind of how the layout is. I believe so, based off of what I've seen over on the sneakers details and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, really nice materials. You obviously are going to get that really nice motion going where it like changes the pattern of that nubuck. So really premium looking materials, guys. Like, you're not going to be disappointed with these things in hand, and that is a fact. On feet, these things look crazy as well, guys. Like, very bright with that Hyper Royal color on the toe box, and also on the medial sides of the foot on the mid paneling. Really nice. And then obviously you got that Malachite on the Nike swoosh on both sides. That Malachite is also going to present itself over on the tongue. You're going to get your traditional mesh tongue here in that Hyper Royal color. And then over on the tongue with the Nike SB logo, that's going to be in your Malachite. So looking real nice there. Around back to the heel, on the heel tab, you're going to get the Phantom in that patch right there with the Nike stitched in that Malachite color. So I like the contrast on this shoe. It actually works very well together. And then also you're going to get the Malachite stitching all along the midsole as well. So That's looking pretty cool too. Like I said, all about contrast, and I like how the colors actually pair very nicely together. Something that, you know, you wouldn't think, like sticking a blue, a green, and like a really light gray, and then white with the gum bottom. It may not turn out as like how you would expect, but on this particular pair, it pairs and works like really, really nice together. Now inside the ankle liner, you're obviously going to get your memory foam heel pods inside the sneaker, as well as your Nike SB Air Zoom insole. That's going to be in the Malachite color with the Nike branding in white. When it comes to your outsole, you are going to get that Phylon midsole peeking through in the Nike SB. That's going to be in your Malachite color. And then you're going to get that glorious, beautiful gum bottom outsole. A gum bottom outsole is literally one of my favorite features on a dunk in particular. Really, in general, pretty much, you know, shoes in general. I really like a gum bottom for some reason, but on Nike SBs, it just works so nice. I mean, it looks beautiful. It also is practical too, guys. So if you are skateboarding in these things, you do get a little bit of extra grip having a gum bottom. You are going to get an extra set of laces with these guys as well. It's going to come with that Malachite green color. So pretty cool, pretty unique. It might look, you know, it might give it a little extra pop of color with that Malachite green in there. I personally think I'm just going to stick with that really light gray color over on the oval laces that is standard with Nike SB. So yeah, guys, really clean shoe. Really glad I was actually able to secure my pair off of the Sneakers app, because, you know, hitting Nike SBs on the Sneakers app is like a very rare occurrence. So very glad I was able to cop these from the Sneakers app. Let me know what you guys think about these things down below. These are one of two, I believe. It's not really a pack, but there's also that deep royal and also that green pair too, which is pretty much the exact same materials as this, just flipped in a different color variation. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these though. How are they in your opinion? Did you go for them? Did you cop them? Did you not? Have you been unsuccessful on all the escape shops so far? But yeah, let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section below. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Don't forget to hit that bell so every time I upload, you get notified. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dylan. Me and the Hyper Royal Malachite Nike SB Dunk Lows. We're out. Peace.